What up? It's your boy. I wanted to make this video at my station, but of course it's rainy today, so why not make it while I'm cooking? So this week, cryptos are doing pretty good. Coinbase just IPO'd. I thought it would have a little bit bigger impact on the price. Bitcoin went up to like 64,000. Right now, Doge is fucking. I don't know why the fuck Doge going up so much. I get Elon, pumps it and stuff, but 40 cents? Jesus Christ. That is redonkulous. Add the peppers. You see my kitchen is world class here. Let's get some meat. Meat up in this bit. But I've been thinking about myself, and I've really strayed away from meditating. Like, I used to meditate a lot, daily, for like an hour. I just got so into it, and it was so good. I loved it. So beneficiary to my sorry, I gotta turn the fan on for a little bit. Meditation. I have strayed away, and it's been too long since I've really dove into my mind like I used to. I'm gonna start making some videos about meditating. Honestly, I think if more people meditated, man, this world would be a lot better. A lot better place. People always talk about the wealth gap widening, which is all, 100% true. But I think spiritually, people's vibrations are widening like just as much, if not more. There are so many people in just a really bad low vibrational state. And this system's designed to put you down there. And that's another topic. Oh, this is smelling good. But this system's designed to put you in just a really stressed out, low vibrational state. So I think now, more than ever probably, it's a really good idea to start meditating. And I'm going to start making videos about benefits, how to, all that stuff. Maybe not how to, there's a lot out there already. But just what I do. And the goal here is to keep myself accountable, because I really should be meditating more than I am now, which is very little. So I want to, help you guys out, obviously, if there's anyone looking up meditational guidance, anyone needs help with meditating and stuff, or maybe you just want to see my progress, I guess. I don't know, maybe not. But really, I'm just making this for to keep myself accountable. Maybe you guys will enjoy the content and actually start meditating with me. That would be lit. If I can get some people to start meditating because of my videos, I am a happy camper. Yes, I'm still gonna be talking about cryptos and a bunch of other crazy rants, and still going to Tokyo. Still having those fun vids. But it's just gonna be another topic I talk about every once in a while. What else did I want to say? I wanted to say something else. Sorry, this food is looking a tasty. I don't think you guys can see it right now. I mean, my kitchen pretty dirty. It's pretty small, you know. I can't really move and groove. Can't really move and groove like I wanna, you know. What else did I want to say? I think there's one other thing, but meditating. Everyone should be trying to get their vibrational state up right now because it's real low. There are pockets of people where it's really good and really high, and you could just kind of tell when someone's like a real human being and not a bot, for lack of a better term. And I think it all starts with your understanding of your inner self. And the best way to understand yourself is to go deep inside yourself and just start looking like what's in there. And the things you will find will fucking blow your mind. I promise you. And I think the thing that gets people with meditating, it's like, so I've said this before, it's like going to the gym and lifting weights. When you first go, you're not going to be able to crank out like 2 or 3 plates on the bench press. You're going to have to work long and hard, pause, to get yoked. You don't just go for a week and then you're yoked. And it's the same thing with meditating. You don't just meditate for a day, for a week, for a month, and that's it, and you're just in tune with yourself. It takes a lot of time, a lot of consistency, and it's not always easy. It's definitely not always easy, but it's very rewarding. Just like weightlifting, you go consistently for a year, 2 years, you're feeling good. You know, your body's good, you're looking good, you're healthy, your mind is a lot sharper than someone who's just sitting on the couch all day. And then what happens is, the days you don't go to the gym, you kind of really miss the gym and you kind of really want to go. Your body's like, bro, why aren't we fucking lifting heavy shit today? You know what I'm saying? So it's the same thing with meditating. Like, if you're consistent, you're persistent, you start getting good at it, you start really understanding things. The days you don't meditate, you're going to be like, oh man, I really wish I had time to meditate. So I'll get deeper into that later on, but that's about it. This looks about done. I don't know if you guys can see this. I kind of burnt the potatoes trying to get the camera set up, but like, ooh, it look bussin', respectfully. Sheep. Anyway, that's about it. Just kind of verbalizing my plans, because what you say becomes reality, and what you think becomes what you say. So, you are your thoughts, basically. That's about it. I'm gonna chow down. Late.